Hey everyone, welcome back to the Gold and Silver Update, brought to you by the top-rated precious metals company, Goldco. I'm your host, Ron, and if you've been following this show, well, you know we've been tracking the major moves in the markets. Well, today, things are getting a lot more interesting. You see, the tech and AI sectors, which have been the shining stars of the last few years, are suddenly showing cracks. According to Forbes, the AI boom may pop, wiping out $40 trillion. Yeah, that's a trillion with a big, fat T. Over at the Wall Street Journal, an article titled "The AI Boom is Looking More and More Fragile" also points to growing caution as even the biggest players start questioning valuations. Okay, but what does this have to do with you? Well, because when markets built on growth begin to wobble, people tend to look for safety, and that's exactly where gold and silver come in. Because let's face it, when confidence in tech falters, people start asking, where can I put my money that won't evaporate overnight? Physical gold and silver may be the answer. They don't rely on earnings forecasts, hype cycles, or the next big AI breakthrough. They're tangible, real, and proven over thousands and thousands of years. And it's not just the tech bubble raising concerns. The broader economy is showing signs of stress as well. According to Yahoo Finance, the US economy is being compared to a Jenga tower, shaky and unpredictable, and ready to topple even if one key block shifts out of place. Now, of course, while gold is taking the spotlight, silver is quietly making waves too. Silver is unique because it's both a store of value and an essential industrial metal. From electric vehicles to solar panels, silver is critical to the technologies really shaping our future. You see, when gold rallies, silver usually follows and often outpaces. That makes it a smart play for both long-term protection and growth potential. Gold and silver are the original safe havens. When the dollar wobbles, growth investments like stocks falter, or global tensions rise, these metals don't just survive, they tend to thrive. They can preserve wealth when everything else is up in the air. And that's exactly where Goldco comes in. With over $3 billion in precious metals placed and more than 8,000 five-star reviews, well, Goldco is one of the most trusted names in the business. They work directly with world mints to ensure the security and authenticity of your gold and silver. And right now, Goldco is offering a free gold and silver kit delivered straight to your door. All you have to do is click the link below to get yours and learn how gold and silver could fit into your financial future. Okay, so here's the bottom line. The AI boom is showing fragility, the economy is uncertain, and riskier assets are getting volatile. In times like these, physical gold and silver are more important than ever. All right, if you found this update helpful, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and go ahead and drop us a comment below. What do you think about the AI bubble? Is it just a temporary wobble or the start of something bigger? Until next time, I'm Ron. Stay informed, stay safe, and keep shining.